Models of educational leadership and management, a categorization. Management and leadership models. There are 6 management models: the formal model, the collegial model, the political model, subjective, ambiguity, and cultural model. There are 10 leadership models: managerial, participative, transformational, distributed, transactional, postmodern, emotional, contingency, moral, and instructional. In this lesson, we will be covering the 6 management models. The first model is the formal model. Within this model, organizations are viewed as systems. Official structures are always a top priority. There is a hierarchy in the official structures. According to Bush, all formal approaches typify schools and colleges as goal-seeking organizations. Decisions are always pertained by rationality. The authority of leaders is a product of their official positions within the organization. Accountability toward the sponsoring body is always emphasized. The second model is the collegial model. Within this model, decisions on aims and visions are to be made in a shared and collaborative manner. It is normative and idealistic and may result in difficulty in implementation. Authority of leaders, but also teachers who assume the authority of expertise, use a combination of skills and collaboration. Within this model, there is a use of representatives. Common values among the decision-making members include 2 types of collegiality. Number 1, restricted, which is the creation of ideas within a small group. Number 2, pure, all members related to an issue have their voice heard. The political model. In this model, bargaining, negotiation, and conflict are main features. Interests stem from the members of the institution rather than the institution as a whole, personal versus collective. Different values among the members, there are ambiguous goals, and power is distributed only to the members with authority. The subjective model. According to Bush, subjective models incorporate those approaches which focus on individuals within organizations rather than the total institution or its subunits. The individual is placed at the center of the organization. Within this model, structure is viewed as a product of human interaction and aims at achieving individual purposes and is not holistic, those of the institution. However, implementation proves complex, inefficient, and unfeasible. The ambiguity model. This model includes features that are uncertain and unpredictable. It places great emphasis on decentralization. There is fluidity in decisions and goals, uncertainty in power positions, involvement of external stakeholders, and best possible solution to any problem. However, there is fluidity in implementation. And lastly, the cultural model. The cultural model places emphasis on informal aspects of organizations. It focuses on values, beliefs, and backgrounds of individuals which are shared within the organizational system, shared traditions.